10-year-old Xiaomi is the world's third largest smartphone vendor. It has a range of high quality yet affordable phones within its flagship Mi and budget phones from Redmi, and it is very often unbeaten on value for money. In this video, I am going to show you some of the best newly launched Xiaomi phones that you can buy for 2021, ranging from lower budget to flagship. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, a solid budget phone from Xiaomi. If you are on a tight budget, Redmi Note 9 is a fantastic smartphone below $200 or under 12,000 Indian rupees. It ticks a great many boxes, and though it is not flawless, you can't argue with the value it offers. Though it's a plastic, it is well designed and it comes with the impressive sounding features such as a quad camera setup at the back which gives a decent picture quality, and there is enough power for casual users, and in this phone you can also play some of the light games. The major highlight of this phone is its big battery. It comes with a battery of 5020 mAh which can last up to 2 days on light usage. Links are given in the description for different countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Xiaomi Black Shark 3, the best gaming phone to buy for 2021. The Black Shark 3 hardly reinvents the wheel when it comes to gaming phones, but there are some useful upgrades here. Of course, a Snapdragon 865 processor and huge up to 12GB of RAM means performance is truly excellent, while some thoughtful touches in the Shark space should make it a hit with gamers. Other highlights include some significant camera improvements and staggeringly fast charging speeds. The main frustration with this phone is with the accessories, with the bulky fan and expensive gaming pad adding a little to the experience. But the magnetic charging cable is a great idea, which is a unique feature of this phone. It certainly is not what most people have in mind when considering a new phone, but Xiaomi hopes gaming fanatics will buy into its vision for the future of the mobile gaming. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, the best mid-range option. With Xiaomi Mi's Note 10, the world's first 108MP camera phone, now increasingly hard to find, this Lite version is notable for sharing many of the same features. The camera steps down to a 64MP quad lens model, but all the other specifications remain the same, including the huge 5260 mAh of battery with a 30W fast charging, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G powerful processor, and expansive 6.47-inch AMOLED display that gives immersive display experience. Very similar to the Redmi Note 9, we think the Mi Note 10 Lite offers better value with its higher capacity battery and better quality display with the integrated fingerprint sensor. For a mid-range Xiaomi phone, it's currently your best option. Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, the best value 5G phone. If you want a 5G phone, Mi 10 Lite is the most affordable way to get one in Xiaomi's current lineup. Actually, it is one of the most affordable 5G phones that you can buy right now. It is a stripped down version of the Mi 10 flagship, but Xiaomi has not cut too many corners, and the Mi 10 Lite still offers a rich feature set. Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset is an impressively powerful processor, and Xiaomi has also graced the Mi 10 Lite with the other premium features, including 20W fast charging and a 48MP quad camera setup that takes decent pictures. Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC, the best value for money package. The Poco X3 is not perfect. The big battery makes it bulky and we don't love the aesthetics. For most part, these are all small complaints though, especially when stacked up against the X3's amazing strengths such as strong specification, an excellent camera, a beautiful display, and absolutely fantastic battery life. The fact that you can get all of that just for $250 or $230 is almost unbelievable, and makes the Poco X3 a shoe-in for the best budget phone that you can buy in 2020 and also for 2021 till the X4 comes. Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, the best premium mid-ranger. This Chinese phone is now one of our top recommendations in Xiaomi's line. If not quite up there with the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, we would love to see an OLED panel, wireless charging and some refinements to the design, but these are all sacrifices we are prepared to make for what appears to be a very strong overall package that comes at a lower cost. Xiaomi majors on value with the Mi 10T Pro by carefully balancing the cost cutting with the awesome features. The powerful Snapdragon 865 processor, the 144Hz display and 108MP camera, along with the incredible battery power and the 5G connectivity, these are all the specifications that have no business in the mid-range. So this is totally an incredible smartphone, comes with the amazing features at a very affordable price. The on-paper specifications of the Mi 10T Pro are simply unbeatable among its peers. Xiaomi Mi 10. Overall, the best phone that you can buy from Xiaomi in 2021. Currently sitting at the top of the Xiaomi's line is the Mi 10. It's something of a departure from the Mi 9, and as such we have seen a significant price hike that takes it up into the standard flagship territory, but Mi 10 still offers a very strong value among its peers. Some of those new features include the addition of the 5G connectivity, display upgrades and a new 108MP camera. A higher capacity 4780 mAh of battery and swapping out a LPDDR4 RAM for LPDDR5. Wired charging happens at 30 Watt, which is behind some of the competition, but Xiaomi leads the pack with a 30 Watt wireless charging. You also get a Snapdragon 865 processor and up to 12GB of RAM for breathtaking performance. So these are the best smartphones from Xiaomi that you can buy for 2021. If I have missed any of the Xiaomi's best phone, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.